Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Okay. So what you're gonna do, Eileen, is go ahead and click on Screencastify. Okay, go ahead and click on Screencastify. Now you're going to see where it says right there, add to Chrome. You want to make sure you're on a Chrome browser and hopefully you're logged in as yourself. You're going to add to Chrome. So go ahead and add to Chrome, Eileen. Perfect. You're going to hit add the extension. Perfect. And hopefully everybody can see Eileen's screen. Okay, now once you do this correctly, you're going to get a little icon at the top. See how it came out, a little arrow up there? Okay, what you want to do is you're going to click on that new arrow up there. Now go ahead and click on that. Not that one, mija, the one right there. That's the one you want. Go ahead, click on that one. Go ahead. Now, once you have that, okay, some of you guys might have gotten a little like, some of you guys might have seen it and then it went away and you got like a little like puzzle piece. If that's you, make sure you let me know so I can let you know what the fix is. But if you're able to get to this arrow and click on it, you're going to be prompted to sign into Google. Go ahead and sign into Google, sweetie. Excellent job. Now, once you sign into Google, you're going to pick your username, not pick your username, you're going to log in as yourself, okay? So here we go. Let it give it a little bit of time. Takes a little bit of juice. If you don't have a Chromebook from the school, I really highly encourage you to get a Chromebook from the school, just as a backup at least. And the Chromebooks, because they're all Google, like you never have to worry about installing programs and things like that. So I would always recommend, if you're having issues installing this app, okay, into your Chromebook, I would definitely suggest that you guys talk to the office and get a Chromebook. All right. Now, once you're getting here, you're going to sign in with Google. Go ahead and sign in, love. Okay. And then what's going to happen is it's going to give you your account. Go ahead, just like that. Give it your account. So everybody go ahead and take a couple of seconds to do this. All right. Okay. You're going to hit allow because it's going to store all of it. This is going to let you make videos and record your screen at the same time. And so now once you get to here, you're going to hit next and then you're going to hit allow twice. So allow once and allow again. Perfect. I'm a student. Going to click on I'm a student and then I'm 13 and older. Excellent. Once you got that, once you get through all those steps, you're going to get the hooray, 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 hooray. All right, I promise you're going to get the hooray. All right. Once you guys have the hooray, we'll move to the next portion. Give it a little bit of time. All right, perfect. Here we go. Here we go. So now, okay, now that you got the hooray, that's where we want to be. Okay, now go to the participant window and hit me with a yes if you guys are on this screen now. Go ahead and hit me with a yes. Okay, I see 2 yeses. Good job. Okay, hit me with that yes. I got 4 yeses, 2 no's. Okay, I need you to be on this hooray screen. Okay, once you're on this hooray screen, we can move on. I need more people on the hooray screen. All right. Very good. We got 3 now, 4. Good job. Excellent job. 5. Excellent job. Keep going. Good. 6. We have 6 on the hooray screen. Great job. Keep going. All right. Excellent job. 7. Excellent job. Let's get at least half of you guys on there. All right. All right. All right, so now once you guys are on this part, okay, pay attention to Eileen's screen now, okay? Eileen, go ahead and go ahead and click on the arrow again at the top, the brand new arrow that you got. There you go, right there, perfect. And now once you guys click on that, okay, you're gonna get a little window that looks like this. This is how you record. You always want it on desktop, it's just easier that way. Okay, and then go right there where it says Embed Webcam on the bottom, go ahead and turn that feature on. Perfect. So this is what I need you to be at right now, guys. All right. So those of you guys that hit yes, go ahead, click on that icon at the top, just like I did. You're going to get a box that looks like this. Make sure that you have desktop. Make sure you have microphone. Make sure you have Embed Webcam, okay, turned on. Once you do this, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and click on the blue record button. Go ahead, Eileen, record button. Perfect. Now at this point, okay, you're gonna get your camera, you can see yourself. You're gonna click on your screen right underneath your entire screen. Click on that screen, love. Good, and when you click on it, you're gonna get the blue share button. Okay, show them again, Eileen. Okay, where you click. So you click there, good, and then you hit share, perfect. Now go ahead and hit share. Now it's counting down and you're gonna be able to record yourself. Go ahead and just wave, Eileen, wave, just wave. Good, perfect. Now, when you're done, that's all I want you to do. You're just going to get to that point, wave, and then go back up to your arrow, Eileen, at the top. Okay, and then go ahead and click on it. And then stop the recording. Okay, so click on it one more time. There you go, good. And now click on the stop. Excellent. Show them where the stop is. Perfect. Once you stop sharing, okay, it's going to take you to another screen. Now, Eileen, the Zoom got cut off, so can you share your screen one more time? Very good. All right, so now, okay, you're gonna get this little tour thing. Just go ahead and skip the tour. You don't need it. Okay. Now, once you have this screen, you guys now can see the video that you recorded. All right, and you can play around with the different features. But for our purposes, this just means that you're ready to go. Now, click where it says Untitled, September 1, 2020. Okay, right there, Eileen. Click right there. Good. Now click on that. Good. And now erase that and put my first screencast. Good. Very good right there. Good. Excellent. Make sure you give yourself a title and you're good now. What I want you to do now is go to back to your Google Classroom. Okay, good. And now notice she's on 9-1 Zoom. So what you're going to do is you're going to add or create Google Drive. Click on Google Drive. And now you're going to look for your video. There it is, my first screencast. You click on there and you hit insert. Perfect. Once you're now, that's the cool part about Screencastify. It saves it to your Google Drive. All your videos are saved. You're good to go. Now go ahead and resubmit, Eileen. Okay, turn in. Perfect. And now, once you got to that point, go ahead and stop share, Eileen. Okay, now what I'm going to do on my end is share my screen with you so you can see. Okay, so now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for you guys doing this. I'm looking for this. Okay, on your period 5, I'm looking at your 9-1 Zoom assignment. Okay, here it is. There's your 9-1. I'm going to go ahead and view the assignment. Excellent job. And so see how Eileen's resubmitted? When I click on it, I can see her video. By you doing that, you're going to get 3 extra credit points on top of your 3 today. Okay, but you cannot get these points unless you verbally say, Mr. Rodriguez, I turned it in, and I'm going to say, okay, I see it. And I'm going to ask you a quick question. And if you don't know the answer, I can't give you the points till you know the answer. Does that make sense? So go through all those steps, okay, add your video, and then resubmit 9-1 Zoom, okay? Go ahead and do that now.
Do we just wave like she did?